guard. Grabe Kelly, no? Isipin mo, may security guard tayong classmate. How generous naman of her alma mater. Always ready to take in hopeless charity cases like this one.
Ayoko ng gulang.
Ay ko! I am warning you. If you mess with me again, hindi mo alam kung ano kaya kong gawin sa'yo. Kaya-kaya ko alam na to. Saan ka nagtatrabaho at kausapin yung boss mo? And in a snap, you're gonna be fired. Mawawalan ka ng trabaho.
Ano ba nagawa ko sa'yo?